is Halloween, and that means makeup. And with me today is founder and managing director of the School of Professional Makeup Limited, Robert Kloss. Welcome to the show.
Nice to be here.
So you brought us some spooky, booky looks.
Yeah, we got a spooky fashion show that's going to be happening.
Okay, great. Now, now tell us a little bit first about your makeup school.
Well, I founded this school about 15 years ago.
Okay.
And so, I mean, basically Halloween is every day for us. You know, we train people in theater and film, you know, and we have a pretty standard curriculum in the sense that, you know, we teach them zombies and we do prosthetics and we age them to 80. Or, you know, I mean, we do casualty, burns and bruises and...
Oh, so for everything. So not just brides and, you know,
we make people pretty, but we also make them ugly.
And that's not easy to do, is it?
Sometimes not, no.
Now, why don't we take a look at one of our looks that you've put together?
Sure. This is our contemporary vampire.
He's scary.
Yeah, he's pretty cool. And he's in a bad mood, too.
Why? What could be so wrong? It's your holiday.
Yeah. So Sean did this makeup. He's a graduate here. What can I say? This is a little bit more simple.
I like that, though. I like it. And the teeth are crazy teeth.
Yeah. Well, you know, the deal is, I mean, all the stores now, all the Halloween stores and all the paraphernalia stores, they're all on board. So you can, I mean, we teach people how to make teeth, but you know, the average consumer can go and purchase them.
Yeah,
you know?
so in this case, you've just, tell us what you've done with the makeup.
Well, what Sean did, in a nutshell, he paled his skin tone out.
Okay.
As soon as you pale a skin tone out, you're kind of going in a whole different direction of what you normally look like.
Yep.
And then you can see the shadowing along the cheek line. He's recessed his eyes. The teeth have a huge impact on this look. And then darkened the eyebrow. And then with dipping our brush and flecking him,
okay,
you get that spotted look. So it's you know, it's a pretty simple. Technically, it's a pretty simple makeup, but it's fun and it's effective.
Very, very effective.
Yes.
Okay, you're spooking me out. No, skedaddle. Yeah, that's great. That's great. Now, we were talking in the banter earlier about safe makeup and makeup because there's a lot of makeup that are imported from other countries and it's not necessarily safe.
Yeah.
Is what you do all safe? And
yeah, I mean there are different levels, right? There's the dollar store green paint,
right,
which is 99 cents,
right,
and you know, that's, who knows what's in that, right?
That's the thing. So
but yeah, we have reputable names, right,
yeah,
in the industry. Krylon and Merlon, Cinema Secrets. Those are industry trademark names and brands that we use.
Okay, well, speaking of...
This is my mother.
No, she's not. You look a little green with envy, let's say. This is great. Now, what have you done with her?
Saba did this. I don't know where Saba is, but anyway, I guess I'll talk. There's a compound called 3 Degree, or
okay,
3rd Degree, I should say, rather, and it's a silicone-based compound, and the bottom line is you mix A and B equal parts, and you've got about a 6-minute setting window.
Okay.
So you can sculpt. And so, obviously, this is not her real nose.
Okay, so
or we'd have her in therapy, or her chin,
or at the plastic surgeons.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, so you know, well, Saba did the nose and the chin, and then you melt the edges into the skin. So there's no demarcation. This was actually airbrushed, so she sprayed this look.
It's so effective.
Yeah, and
effective.
And we took away her crest white strips, and she went au naturel. And here, take your hat off there, darling.
Yeah, how did you achieve that? Your teeth aren't like that, obviously. So
there we go. Whoops, there we go. Yeah. Look at all that volume.
I know, beautiful. Really, you're a knockout. You really are.
And that's just it's a product called Tooth Rot.
Tooth Rot.
Yeah. So as long as it's put on a natural tooth,
okay,
you're good to go.
So you could just paint it on.
Yeah, you dry your teeth with the Kleenex.
Okay.
And then you just you paint away black or the nicotine. The nicotine's my favorite.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
Which is the brown.
I hope.
And then, yeah, as long as it doesn't go in a denture or a cap, you're good to go. Because if it does, it stays forever.
Oh, I was just going to say, I hope you're not wearing a denture or caps or anything, because you're stuck with that then. Beautiful. No, not beautiful. You're horrible looking. Thanks very much. Let's take a look at our next one. This one freaks me out completely.
Yeah, this is a much more elaborate makeup, and let's bring Matt out with. Let's bring our instructor out with this makeup, if that's possible.
Here he comes.
Yes. Here we go.
Hi.
Now again, this is like everybody's crazy about zombies.
But look, the skin is hanging off.
She's a picker.
Oh.
But this is a really great zombie makeup. Zombies are a staple at Halloween.
Yeah.
Right. The Zombie Watch just happened in Toronto, and you know, there's various stages of zombies, and yeah, Matt can go over exactly what he did here.
On here, she's wearing some gelatin appliances.
Okay.
And that's something we do at the school. They're actually made of Jell-O.
Oh, really?
Jell-O,
They're
yeah,
delicious.
Jell-O.
You can eat them.
And that's the same appliance that's on her face, and they're just made in small plaster molds that we demonstrated at the school.
Wow.
Yeah.
Very simple.
So you give her the thick edge.
Same with the bite.
Right.
Yeah.
You know.
It's her zombie bite. That was just gelatin before.
Yeah, and so it gives that swollen, third-degree, sore, infected, rotting flesh look that we all like.
This blood's made from corn syrup
Yeah.
to get this horrible
Oh,
zombie effect here for blood.
that's disgusting.
And again, a lot of the
Absolutely.
stores are knocking these off. So you can, I mean, it's obviously the appliance isn't going to be as detailed, but you can buy something like this at a Halloween store.
Can I touch that?
Yeah.
And is it, so what is it, you glue it on? Like, so like a glue and then comes off, I guess, with...
Yeah, they just peel off, and then we clean up
So
later.
great.
So-
Yeah.
It is so great. Yeah, like you look torn apart, honey. So how is is it comfortable on your face?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so it totally doesn't feel like anything, just...
Yeah.
It looks horrible. Do you not freak yourself out when you looked in the mirror when he was finished with you?
My everyday look.
Oh, yeah.
Like that'll stay.
Cute.
That'll last all day long. Stay on all day.
Yeah.
How does it help you find men? So that will last all day long?
Yeah, she can wear that all day long.
Oh,
Yeah.
fantastic.
I have an alcohol activated makeup. The coffee blood doesn't. Cover blood stays on all day, and yeah.
That's absolutely fantastic. Fantastic. Yep.
So the longevity alone, she's bound to get a date.
Oh, for sure.
You know?
For sure. Now, to achieve this, to actually get this is so professionally done. So people at home can get something similar to that as well?
Yeah, I mean, you know, the bottom line is there's a formula, right? I mean, you recess the eyes, you start to pale the skin tone out, you know, you do a little bit of veining and marbling. The appliance is great because it adds that dimensional effect. And then whatever doesn't look realistic, just put some blood on it.
That's fantastic. Thank you very much. Now, how long does it take to become a makeup artist with your school? Okay, you can leave. Thanks. She's scared me. She's freaking me out. Yeah.
There's different courses, but you know, if you want to do the whole master, it's about 7 months.
About 7 months.
And so you learn how to make people beautiful, and then you get bored of that, and then we learn how to make people
I think that would
gruesome.
be so fun to actually learn some of those techniques.
Yeah.
Like I mean, just for the hell of it, right?
Yeah,
when you're at home.
It's definitely a bonus, a sideline. You know, if you're a makeup artist, it bleeds into your personal life. How can it not?
I know. Now, where can people get more information?
Well, you can go to our website.
Which is promakeupart.com.
Yeah, promakeupart.com. Yeah, or you know, you can Google us and
Perfect.
go from there.